Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll explore how to generate all possible pairs of elements from two arrays in JavaScript. This is known as the Cartesian product of two arrays. Let's dive in. The goal of this program is to generate all combination of pairs from the two arrays. For example, the first array is 1 and 2, and the second array is AB. The output will include all possible pairings like 1A, 1B, 2A and 2B. Here's the JavaScript code for generating all possible pairs from two arrays. We use the reduce method to iterate over the first array. For each element in the first array, we map it to every element in the second array, creating pairs. Finally, we combine these pairs into a single array using concat. To generate the Cartesian product, we start with the two arrays, loop through the first array, and pair each element with every element of the second array. And finally, we combine all pairs into a single array and return the result. Here are some examples. For the array of 1, 2, and AB, the pairs include combinations like 1A and 2B. For 1, 2 paired with itself, the output includes 1, 1 and 2, 2. Similarly, for AB paired with itself, we get combinations of A and B. This technique is useful in various scenarios. Data processing, to analyze relationships or possibilities. UI components, for dynamic pairing in forms or menus. Gaming, to assign items or levels to players in combinations. In summary, we will explore how to create all possible pairs from two arrays using JavaScript. This method leverages reduce, map, and concat for efficient and versatile implementation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you